So my next live workshop is around the corner, January 26th to 30th, and the theme this time is abstract figures. And in celebration of the new year, I am offering this free to anyone that wants to join us. It's normally a paid workshop, but we're gonna do a free version of it this year, so I hope you come join us. Now, here's what you need to know. You don't have to have any drawing skills to do this, and you can be a beginner painter. It's all good. I'm gonna take us through 5 different techniques on creating abstract figures in completely different ways, and you could decide what you like the most. You gotta sign up though. There's a link below. Sign up. I'll send you everything you need to know, and then come join us. I really think you're gonna be surprised at what is possible for you to create with abstract figures. I'll see you there.